If you've been exploring AI agents or workflow automation, you've probably come across n8n. Some people call it an automation tool, while others call it an AI agent platform. So what exactly is n8n? Let's understand it with one simple example. Imagine someone fills out the contact form on your website because they're interested in your product. Normally, you would save their details in your CRM, send them a welcome email, notify your sales team on Slack, and create a follow-up task so nobody forgets to contact them. None of these tasks are difficult, but they are repetitive. Instead of doing each step manually, n8n can orchestrate all of these steps automatically. That entire sequence of steps is called a workflow. A workflow is simply a series of actions that execute in a particular order. In our example, the customer submits the form, their details are saved in the CRM, a welcome email is sent, your sales team receives a Slack notification, and a follow-up task is created. Every new customer follows exactly the same process without anyone switching between multiple applications. But how does n8n know when to start? Every workflow starts with a trigger, which tells n8n when to begin execution. In our example, the trigger is the customer submitting the contact form. In another workflow, the trigger could be a new email arriving in Gmail, a scheduled time like every morning at 9 o'clock, a new file being uploaded, or even an incoming API request. Once the trigger occurs, n8n starts executing the workflow automatically. Now let's open that workflow inside an 8n. You won't see one giant block. Instead, you'll see lots of small blocks connected together. These blocks are called nodes. Each node is responsible for a particular task. One node receives the form submission, another stores the customer in the CRM, another sends the welcome email, and another posts a message to Slack. Breaking a workflow into small, focused steps makes it much easier to build, understand, and maintain. Here's the most important concept to understand. Data flows from one node to the next. When the customer submits the form, the first node receives information like the customer's name, email address, and message. That information then becomes the input for the next node. The CRM node stores it, the email node uses it to send a welcome email, and the Slack node uses it to notify your sales team. Along the way, each node can use the data, transform it, or even add new information before passing it to the next node. Notice that we never entered the customer's information multiple times. The data simply flows through the workflow until every step has been completed. You'll also notice something else. We haven't written any code. We've simply connected blocks together visually. That's why n8n is considered a low-code workflow automation platform. Most workflows can be built visually, but whenever you need custom logic, you can still write JavaScript or connect to your own APIs. So where does AI fit into all of this? Let's go back to our customer inquiry. Instead of sending every message directly to your sales team, the workflow could first send it to an AI model like ChatGPT. The AI could summarize the message, classify it as a sales inquiry or a support request, extract important details, and provide the information the workflow uses to determine which path to take. Now, the workflow isn't limited to following fixed rules. It can use AI to handle information that isn't predictable in advance. But there's an important distinction to remember. n8n isn't the AI model. It's the orchestration layer that connects AI models with your applications, APIs, databases, and business logic. Another reason developers like n8n is that it connects to the tools they already use. It doesn't replace Gmail, it connects to Gmail. It doesn't replace PostgreSQL, it connects to PostgreSQL. It doesn't replace OpenAI, it connects to OpenAI. You simply connect these services using credentials such as OAuth or API keys, and n8n uses those credentials whenever the workflow needs to communicate with them. Think of n8n as the conductor of an orchestra. Gmail knows how to send emails. PostgreSQL knows how to store data. OpenAI knows how to generate text. Slack knows how to send messages. Each service specializes in one job, while n8n coordinates all of them into a single automated workflow. So let's quickly summarize. Every workflow starts with a trigger, which tells n8n when to begin execution. A workflow is built from nodes, and each node is responsible for a particular task. As the workflow runs, data flows from one node to the next until the process is complete. By connecting your applications, APIs, databases, and AI models together, n8n automates complete business processes with very little code.